By a unanimous decision, the Supreme Court has ruled that from now on, anyone with low-level HIV on retro antiviral drugs and using a condom no longer has to disclose their condition to sex partners. The reaction from this group representing those living with HIV and AIDS, in a word, disappointed.
Basically opening the door for even further inconsistent and improper use of the law on an issue that's very complex. It's really concerning. It puts a lot of people at risk.
Those looking at this from the outside have mixed views on the whole thing.
This might be a positive step in a place where people don't have to disclose unless they are comfortable.
They're using protection, but on the other hand, doesn't the other person, shouldn't they have the right?
I'd want to know.
Some worry that if there's even a hint of a risk of transmission there, the court is playing with fire. But this expert says if the proper rules are being followed, that shouldn't be a concern.
That in that context, the chance of transmission is zero. Of course, that's assuming that the condom doesn't break.
In the courtroom is where this decision will make the most difference. Our legal analyst says it makes things a lot more clear.
The court has set out a test that can be followed very well by anyone.
But others say that clarity comes with greater restrictions. Used to be that you only had to disclose if there was a significant risk of transmission, which just wearing a condom would negate.
Today, the court has actually taken a step back from that position, and they've ignored the science that we have about the risks of transmission.
The new law takes effect immediately, so from here on out, any cases of this nature will be tried under those rules. The old law made it so that anybody who didn't disclose their condition to a partner would have been charged with aggravated sexual assault. Mark Carcassole, Global News.